What if you could go from a single text prompt to a fully animated and voiced anime scene without switching between 5 different apps? Today, I'm putting PixAI to the test to see if it can really handle the entire workflow inside one browser tab. Let's dive in. So here is the type of thing we're going to be making today. Let me just show you how this looks. So as we can see, we had a full animated anime scene there with voice effects too. So let's see if we can recreate that with PixAI. So one of the biggest pain points for anime creators is constantly jumping between multiple AI tools for image generation, editing, and animation. PixAI basically combines the entire workflow into one platform. You can generate characters with Tsubaki 2, you can refine and transform them with PixAI Edit Pro, and then you can animate them with PixAI V4. So here we have our prompt here. I'm not going to read all of it because it is quite detailed, but we've got a close-up portrait of a beautiful woman with long flowing green hair cascading to her back, featuring parted bangs, intricate wing-shaped gold hair ornaments, and radiant forehead jewel. Now you could get some kind of description similar to this using an AI system, or you can write it yourself and this will actually know what you want. Next, we can pick our style. So there are tons of different anime styles to choose from, some of them more detailed, some of them more cartoon-like. And then we can choose our model. So we have tons to choose from here. Let's go with the Tsubaki 2 version. Next, we can select our aspect ratio. So this could be basically anything you want. We can select the resolution. Let's go with large here. We can also select the number of images we want to generate. When using our mode here, we can choose light, standard, pro, or ultra, and the quality will vary depending on what you pick. Select the style and select the model here too. And once we're happy, we press go and it's going to begin generating. You can see it's generated these images in a matter of seconds and they all look pretty good. Next, let's use the PixAI Edit Pro, select our aspect ratio, and then we're going to input a prompt so we can get our environment. Once we're happy, we press go and let it generate the environment with our character. So because we're doing this on more of a game format, we can see that yes, it has generated the mini map that we put in our prompt in the top left, and we do have buttons for it to be a mobile game at the bottom. As well as that, we have a fantastically beautiful environment behind our subject. Now, let's turn this into a video. We go to the video button at the top, and this is where we can put our start frame in that we just generated. So here we have it there. Let's select that, and then we can select the model we are using here. Default will be 3.2, but as we're using professional, we can use the 4.0 preview. We can select the time, which will do 10 seconds, and with the option for multi-reference and first and last frames too. Now, just showing you a demo of the stuff that you can create here. This is a video that shows basically everything in the video that was created with this platform, and it looks top tier when we're talking about anime. Next, let's throw in a prompt, and once we're happy with everything, and finally, let's throw in a prompt here. So this is going to be where we tell our story, every scene, everything that we need to happen here. We're going to describe in this prompt box, and just double check all of our settings here. Everything looks good. We're going to hit go and see what it comes back with. So just like that, we can see it's pretty crazy what we can get from just typing in a few words and with a few pictures. Once we're happy, we can select publish with a title, description. We can hide or show the prompts we used and hit publish or download when we're ready. Now, using a platform like this, I don't see any reason why you couldn't create a full anime using the platform, something that is super high fidelity and it just works without having to switch between multiple apps. So there we have it. Step 1, we used Tsubaki 2 to create the image. We then used Edit Pro to take that image and create an environment. And then we used V4 Preview to basically turn that into a payoff where we have a full video. My honest advice here would be to generate each scene separately, keep the character consistent, and then what we can do from there is actually create different scenes and a story for our character. This could be useful for short form content or even long form 15-minute to 20-minute episodes with certain characters. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description, guys. But that is going to be it from me. And that is how you can create a full anime with just PixAI. And that is how you can create a full anime with just PixAI. That's going to be it from me. I'll see you in the next one.